Hi, I'm Vincent di Pasquale, one of the educators and co-founders of FaderPro, and I'm really excited to tell you about the FaderPro Producers Club, a new subscription plan that gives you access to every single course that FaderPro offers at one low monthly or annual price. Want to watch a chapter about the final mixdown from Nicky Romero? No problem, you can watch that. Want to watch how Elke Klein approaches compression on a bass line? Or how Ferry Corsten designs sound effects from scratch? No problem. Now you can watch any chapter from any course and pick the ones that interest you or help you understand specific creative challenges you may be having at any given time. With the new FaderPro Producers Club, you'll also get exclusive access to new content, early access to courses, new contest opportunities, plus we'll soon be bringing you regular access to live educational events. All that on top of access to over $5,000 worth of production courses in our existing catalog. Now, if you still want to purchase individual courses to have in your library for lifetime access, no problem. We'll still be offering courses on an a la carte basis. But we're very excited about the FaderPro Producers Club, and we hope this is something that really excites you, because this gives us more ways to help you take your productions to the next level.